process begins in the sanctuary, where the leopards are monitored closely for health and well-being before any synthetic process begins. Leopards are then gently moved into individual, transparent transport capsules for medical evaluation and detailed health tracking. Every leopard is microchipped and monitored by a team of veterinary scientists before proceeding to the synthetic skin processor.
Review of the initial material handling and preparation.
The morphology on the V3 lead is changing?
Yes, the ST segment is elevated. We should monitor this closely.
The synthetic skin processor is a high-tech chamber designed to digitally map and replicate the unique coat patterns for materials.
The detailed 3D scanning captures the precise arrangement of spots and rosettes for replication onto synthetic leather materials.
Analysis commencing. Please remain still.
The next batch is ready.
Adjusting the speed now.
The resulting material, a synthetic hide that perfectly matches the natural pattern, enters the industrial leather finishing line.
The newly created patterned material undergoes rigorous washing and preparation baths to ensure durability and color setting. Precise chemical baths, controlled by African American technicians, infuse the material with treatments for softness and resilience.
Aprons. The journey begins here, in the heart of the washing and dyeing facility. This intensive process ensures
Welcome to the studio. We're reviewing the specialty coloration stages that bring these unique designs to life, from the initial screen printing.
The automated system provides a high-pressure rinse before moving the components to the laser array for high-precision cutting.
Specialized mixing tanks are used for intensive dyeing, including the creation of unique, colorful leopard prints.
The pattern is holding steady, but look at the data here.
Yes, the shear stress is increasing.
We need to adjust the paddle speed slightly.
Continuous washing ensures all chemical residue is removed, preparing the material for the final finishing and coloring stages.
Some batches receive specialty coloration, resulting in vibrant, multicolored leopard designs.
The saturation levels look good on the monitor. Yes, the pink is holding steady.
We need to increase the water pressure on the yellow sheets.
I just adjusted it on the panel. It should be fine now.
The final, premium hides are scanned for quality and cut into product patterns.
Welcome to the production review of our specialized assembly process.
The stitching looks flawless here. How's the integration?
Hello and welcome to the final review of our accessory creation. We'll examine the detailing on these exquisite leather pieces and the stunning jewelry.
Our commitment to quality control begins with rigorous inspection. Every component is measured precisely before moving.
Laser guidance systems assist young adult male workers of Caucasian ethnicity in precisely cutting the patterned hides for mass production. Material remnants are efficiently collected and sent for recycling, promoting zero waste.
Look at the fluctuation here on the moisture sensor. It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the next batch closely.
The tensile strength looks good here.
And the pattern alignment is flawless, according to the specs.
The exotic patterned material is then prepared for construction, often involving heat treatment or special coatings.
The cutting process separates the synthetic hides into thousands of components for shoes, belts, and bags.
If we adjust the nesting here, we save material.
Right, I see. The cut quality is excellent.
Agreed. Let's continue.
The manufacturing shifts to the sewing and assembly line, where skilled East Asian male workers stitch together the complex components.
Advanced embroidery machines are used to add detailed logos and decorative elements to the finished product pieces.
The individual components are assembled by specialized artisans into the final luxury goods. The construction of exotic leather footwear requires precision and specialized sewing techniques.
Belts, small leather goods, and accessories are assembled with the same dedication to quality.
Detailed quality control ensures the integrity of every stitch and component before the product is finished.
Workers assemble specialty items like leather caps and gloves, expanding the exotic leather product line.
Final products are displayed, showcasing the variety of accessories crafted from the patterned synthetic hides. The factory's recycling system processes leather scraps, maintaining a commitment to minimizing environmental impact.
Look at how quickly it processes the reds. It's much faster than the previous model. The accuracy is impressive.
A little to the left, bring it down slowly. Okay, dump it now. Got it.
A team of East Asian female designers presents the culmination of their labor, a collection of high-end, synthetic, exotic leather goods.
I am so proud of what we've achieved with this leopard collection. The quality is simply unmatched in the market right now.
The completed luxury goods are packaged in custom-designed boxes for secure shipping.